Welcome to EX200 prep exam. Okay, for the RH9 and 10. Okay, so this question number 3, it's all about Selinux and firewall, especially Selinux. What am I going about to do? I'm just going to set things up so that you guys can see what the issue is and how to resolve it. They will have in exam all the stuff already kind of on the go, ready to go on the go, but I'm going to install the software they will install, and I'm going to act like they would, so you can see the issue occurring and you will understand better the solution. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to the console here. So I'm going to set enforce permissive. Don't do this on the exam. Okay, you need to fix stuff and not disable stuff. Systemctl stop firewall D. Okay, you need to fix stuff, not disable stuff. All the things need to work with Selinux up and firewall up too. Okay, so don't disable stuff just to make things work. I'm going to do this just to show you the issue occurring so you better understand the fix. You can go back to my video series and I'll talk much more about all Selinux throughout that video series. So let's go to var www.html, and I'm going to do echo EX200 exam, for example, to the index.html file. Okay, so this is just a bog standard thing to do. A bog standard thing to do just to make sure that everything works. Okay, maybe my server will not start it, and there you have it. So it's working. Okay, with the IP we configured in the first tasks, and it's working fine. Okay, so no big of a deal here. Now I'm going to kind of force the issue here. And the main issue here is we're going to use port 82 and not port 80 like the default thing is, whatever the case. Now I need to put my server to be listening at port 82. I have some notes here. You can create a virtual server or just reconfigure the default website, make things a little bit faster. I'm going to change the default website. I need to add that note here, which is fine. You can just change the default website listening. I didn't put here, but I will add it later. It's fine. So let's do that. So let's go etc. Or did I? No. httpd conf.d httpd.conf httpd.conf. We find for listen. I don't remember the case here. There it is. Oh, it was there. I just pressed escape like a stupid person. But there we go. And you want port 82. Okay. Write and quit. Restart the service. Yeah, you can't restart it. It's a little bit brutal, but it just works in the exam. It's fine. It has restarted, which means that this probably is not working anymore. But if you add port 82, it's working. Okay, so port 82 confirmed. It's working great. Right. Now let's re-enable set enforcing. And the site still works because the server was reloaded with Selinux down. If you systemctl, restart httpd. This should now fail, and the web server it's not working. Okay, so confirmed that the issue is occurring. So the main goal here is to fix the issue, and disabling Selinux does not fix the issue. I mean, well, it fixes it, but that's not how they want it. So we need to first get some tools going. You can get you don't really need the policy core utils. You can install them if you want. You just need to install the policy core utils if SManage is not available. Okay, so let's see. SManage. Yeah, in my case it's installed, but if you want to be sure, it doesn't hurt to add more software. It doesn't hurt to add more software. It hurts to have less software. Okay. Portanto, so it hurts. Portanto, so it hurts to have less software. It doesn't hurt to have extra software. They don't really give a shit. So DNF install plus Y policy. What the name? Core utils. Policy core utils. I forgot the thingamajiggy. So I'll just do the cut here, so guys don't have to endure all the time for this to install. So it's installed. All tools are installed. Tools. It's been a long day. Okay, so things are still not working. Okay, because we have not fixed the issue yet. So all we have to do now, like it was easy. All we have to do now is to create an exception on the SMN on Selinux, so that port 82 is actually acceptable. It's basically this. You just need to do this on the Selinux and that on a firewall, and we should be perfectly okay with that, with everything. Sorry about the blip. And then we can go here. I'm getting contact for work, which is nice. Okay, let's do this. So SManage port -A -T HTTPD port T TCP 82. What did I mistype something? SManage port -A -T SManage port -A -T HTTPD port T -P TCP 82. Okay. Type HTTP port is invalid. Must be a port type. So again, I mistyped something either on the console or my notes. SManage. I did it all by head. So SManage port -A -T HTTPD port T -P TCP 82. The port is invalid. Must be a port type. HTTPD port T. Port T. Okay, that's fine. Just do this. Let's just do SManage port -L grep HTTPD. Yeah, I put the D there. I do this mistake every single time. It's not HTTPD, it's HTTP. Since I'm already here with my hands, let me edit the master file. And it's HTTP, not HTTPD. HTTP, not HTTPD. And it's not Perl, it's port. You guys cannot imagine the amount of times I proofread this and I didn't catch that. So as you can see, in and out, man SManage minus port. You go back there to the and you have a lot of examples, okay? And the example here, it's actually regarding Apache, the web server, okay? So there I have it. You just go to the man page and you can actually copy paste the solution. How cool is that? So I have fixed my doc file. I need to re-export my PDF. And I made a second typo here because I'm stupid. So this is wrong. This is not Relish type. This is wrong. Okay, you get the idea. Cool. Now this should not work yet. okay? Because I haven't restarted the service yet. But let's re-enable the firewall. Okay, it's re-enabled, and systemctl, restart, httpd. Now the service started successfully because we have made the exception, but this is not going to work because the firewall is not there yet. So let's add the firewall exception, firewall-cmd, -- add port 82/TCP, -- permanent, systemctl, firewall cmd -- reload, and immediately it started to work. All right. So the main thing here, it's not the installation. I went to the long way just to show you the problem so you can better understand the solution. But the solution was as simple as do the SM manage to create the exception for the port you specify. In this case, I specified port 82, but it can be another one, but 82 is very common. Then you just create the exception on the firewall and you should be good to go. If you have any doubts here, because yes, it's a very long command, I understand that, go to the main page, scroll down to the example sections, and you should have there a good example specifically tailored for HTTP. And this is just question number 3. This is going to be a long one, but a very, very useful for you guys. And get ready for question number 4. Like, subscribe, and comment. It will help. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.